Imagine this, you are sitting at home playing your favorite mobile game and suddenly you get paid for it. Sounds fake right now? Yeah, that's exactly what I threw to. But after testing multiplication apps, I found something interesting. Some are actually do pay real money, gift cards and PayPal cash. But here the truth, one is you can know. So in this video, I am going to show you the best legit apps that pay you to play games. The apps can should avoid a simple tricks you can earn money. So make sure watch till the full video, and because most people miss the real money strategy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love gaming and also want to make some extra money online, then this video might literally change how to use to your free time. But let's be 100% real here. This is not a get rich quick method. You are not going to become a millionaire players gamer. But if you do it smartly, you can easily make $10 to $50 per month just from your phone. And the best part, you are already playing games anyway, so why not paid for it? Now the biggest question, are these apps actually legit? The answer is yes, but they are sketch. Their app don't magically create money. They earn money from ads, game promotions, user data engagement, and then they share a small portion with you. That means you will not earn thousands of dollars, but you can earn some side incomes. Think of it like this: fun money, not full-time income. Let's start with one of the most popular apps, Mistplay. If you are an Android user, this one is a must try. Here's how it works. You download games inside the app. Play those games, earn points called units. Then you can redeem those points for PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, Google Play credits. Now realistic, you can make around $5 to $15 per month. Best for casual gamers. Next up, free cash. This one is more powerful because it does not just pay you for games. You can play games, complete tasks, do surveys, test apps. Some people are earning $50 plus per month, but only if you actually put in effort. Best for serious earnings. So our third number app is Just Play. Now let's talk about a super beginners friendly app. This one is very simple. You download games, play for a few minutes, earn gems, then convert those gems into PayPal cash, gift cards. Best for fast payouts beginners. So right now download this app. Now this is one is really interesting. Buff, because instead of random mobile games, you can earn rewards by playing games you already love, like Fortnite, Valorant, CSGO. It runs in the background and tracks your gameplay. Best for PC gamers. So right now download this app. So next app is Swigbucks Live. This is not just gaming. It's more like trivia quiz rewards. You answer questions, play small games and earn points. Best for quiz lovers. So right now download this app. So our last app is Cassie. It's very similar to Mistplay, but with different games and offers. Pro tip: use Cassie plus Mistplay together to double your earnings. So this pro tip is actually write your earnings double. Now let's be real for a second. Most people quit these apps. Why? Because earnings feel slow, rewards decrease over time. Some apps are scams. In fact, many users online say they pay but very little. So don't expect miracles. Use these apps as side hustle, not main income. Now here's the part most people ignore. The strategy. If you follow this, you will earn way more than others. Tip 1. Use multiplication apps. Don't depend on just one app. Use 2-3 apps together. Tip number 2 is try new games. Apps rewards new users more. So instead of playing one game forever, switch games regularly. Tip 3. Focus on high paying offers. Not all games pay equally. Some games give high rewards, faster payouts, so always choose smartly. Here's a bonus tip. Most YouTubers will not tell you. Always cash out using PayPal. Why? Faster, more flexible, works globally. So follow these steps. So yeah, these are the best apps that actually pay you to play games. If you are already gaming, why not turn it into a small income stream? Just remember, don't fall for fake apps. Don't expect huge money. Stay consistent. If you found this helpful, like this video, comment your favorite app, subscribe for more money making content, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye.